How you guys doing? Again, another cooking video today. We're gonna be making chili. I love chili. This is a very simple recipe, one that you can tweak yourself, add some extra ingredients, however you like your chili. I'm gonna show you how I make mine. So basically my chili is just gonna have ground beef, some kidney beans, some tomatoes and onions, tomato paste, and rotel. And a little rotel, a little hot diced tomatoes with habaneros in there. Add a little spice to it, plus your chili powder. So let's first get the ground beef out of the fridge, get it browned up back here on the oven. Okay, so I got my ground beef here. I got about 1.5 pounds in here. I'm gonna throw it in the pan here. We're gonna brown it, and then we're gonna toss it in the pot. So I got that meat on a medium heat right now. We're just gonna let that brown up. It'll take a few minutes. So our meat's about all browned up. We're gonna drain the grease out of it and throw it in our big pot. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the heat down to a low. I got my grease all drained out of here. I'm gonna throw this meat in here. And then I got my tomato paste here. I got 2 cans of this. This is the 1 pound, 13 ounce can of tomato sauce. I'll go ahead and dump 2 of these in here. I also have 2 16 ounce cans of kidney beans. Dump those into our pot. Stir that up a little. Now I have my can of hot rotel. Add some spice to this dish. And then I've already chopped up a little earlier. I got 1 large onion and 2 tomatoes here. Just gonna get that all stirred in there. And now for the chili powder. And this one, for your chili powder, I would just say add to taste. Keep adding it, I usually add a good helping here at the beginning. The more you add, the more heat you're gonna add, the spicier this dish is gonna get. I usually add some, because we're gonna let this cook on a low for about an hour. Keep tasting it. If it doesn't seem like you've got enough chili powder in there, just add a little bit more, a little at a time, till you get it just right. I got that stirred up. I know I'm gonna need more. I usually put a lot of chili powder in my chili. So there we go, we got it cooking on a low. We're gonna let it cook for about an hour. I'm gonna keep coming back, stirring it constantly, every few minutes, about every 5 minutes, come give it a stir. Once it starts to warm up a little bit, and give it a taste, see if I got enough chili powder in there. If I need some more, I'll add some. Same with yours, if you're making this dish at home. Again, start off with a bit, keep tasting as you go, till you get that taste of that chili powder just right. All right, so it's been just over an hour. The chili's done. I have added a little more chili powder to it as I kept tasting it, getting it just right. There's a look at it. So let's go ahead and get a bowl full and try this chili out. So there's a look at it there. Let's get it focused in on it. So like I said, this has been cooking here for about an hour now. And again, this is my recipe. Add what you want to. If you want to put some jalapenos in it or some other things, different spices, go for it. which is really hot right now. Just the right amount of spice. That is some good chili. So that does it here for this video, guys. That's my chili. Ground beef, kidney beans, some rotel, one large onion. I put in 2 tomatoes chopped up also. Some kidney beans, 2 cans of kidney beans. And then seasoned with the chili powder. Again, just however much you want in there, however much spice, however much flavor you want to add to it. Just keep adding it and tasting it until you think it's done. So if you guys got a chili recipe maybe I should check out, throw it down in the comments. Let me know. If you're gonna try this one, tell me how it turned out for you. And if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time.